Hey guys, we're on our way to deliver a machine. It's 7 gallons per minute, 5,000 PSI. It's powered by a 35 horsepower Vanguard. They're using them for cleaning hydro towers. The neat thing is some of these towers are actually live. So, you know, we've always been taught water and electricity doesn't mix. These guys are like crazy. They're up 600 feet in the air, right beside transmission lines. They wanted a good, reliable unit because when they start on the ground, they have to climb all the way to the top of that tower. So if you're 600 feet in the air, you want a good, reliable machine sitting on the ground. That way you don't have to go down and fight with it. So it's really cool and a really neat application for us. And we're really happy to supply 2 units to these guys to do their job.